Sudyalaya Maths online class. Today we are going to discuss first chapter relation and function exercise 1.6. So this exercise is one more multiple choice questions. Here the first 5 chapter concepts are we work out. Using that concept we get the answer. So once again you recall that first exercise what you discussed, cross product. Two sets given, you have to find the ordered pairs, that is a cross product. Second exercise relations. Third one function. Fourth one type of functions. What are the type? One to one, or two, into, many to one function. This type of functions and constant function, identity, real value functions. And the fifth exercise composition of function. Two functions given. Either we find composition of the two functions. So we see these concepts and find the answers. First one, if n of a cross b is equal to 6 and a is equal to 1 set of 1 comma 3, then n of b is first option a 1, second option b 2, third 3, fourth 6. So this one cross product. So n of a, n of means number of a cross b. The number of a cross b answer is 6 and a set elements given 1 comma 3. So n of a cross b is 6, a elements 1 comma 3. So what is the number of elements? N of a equal to 1, 2. So 2. N of 2, 2. Therefore n of a cross b can be written n of a into n of b. So n of a cross b answer is what? 6 is equal to n of a 2 into n of b want to find. So this multiplication 2 comes this side, divide. 6 by 2 is equal to n of b. 1 2 is 2, 3 2s are 6. So n of b how many elements? 3 elements. Therefore n of b is equal to 3. Your answer is third option. Is it clear? So all 5 exercises. Here one mark given. So all 5 exercises you want to thorough easily attend this exercise. Is it clear? Now we see second sum. A is equal to set of A, B, P. B is equal to set of 2, 3. C is equal to set of P, Q, R, S. Then n of A union C cross B is first option 8, second option 20, third option 12, fourth option 16. Here what are the given? A is equal to A, B, P. B is equal to 2, 3. C equal to P, Q, R, S. So first you find A union C. Union means combine the two sets. So A elements A, B, P. Union C elements P, Q, R, S. Combine these two sets A and C. A, B, P here. A set and C sets there. So write only one times. So P, Q, R, S. Next, number of A union C. How many elements? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So n of A union C equal to 6. Next is n of B. Here B elements. N of A union C and n of B we need. So n of B. Here how many elements? 1, 2. So 2. N of A union C cross B can be written n of A union C cross n of B. The same this format. So here n of A union C in cross n of B written n of A union C into n of B. N of A union C answer 6 into n of B answer 2. So 6 2s are 12. So n of A union C cross B equal to 12. Which option? C option. So the answer is C option 12. So this maybe creative questions also ask this type of questions. Can you understand? Third sum. If A equal to set of 1, 2, B equal to set of 1, 2, 3, 4, C is equal to 5, 6 and D equal to 5, 6, 7, 8. Then state which of the following statement is true. First option A cross C contains B cross D. Second option D option D cross A contain B cross A. So the contain means subset. That A cross all elements belongs to B cross D. That is the meaning of this contain. So already last 9th syllabus itself we studied. So now we see that check these four. Want to check it. Which one is correct? So if you select it, that statement is true. You want to check it. So you find four options. Which is correct, you select it. So now I find first option. A is equal to 1, 2, B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, C is equal to 5, 6, D is equal to 5, 6, 7, 8. First you find A cross C. A cross C 1, 2 cross C answer 5, 6. So write order class 1, 5, 1, 6, 2, 5, 2, 6. That's all. Next you find B cross D is equal to B element 1, 2, 3, 4 cross D 5, 6, 7, 8. Write the ordered pair 1, 5, 1, 6, 1, 7, 1, 8. Next 2, 5, 2, 6, 2, 7, 2, 8. 3, 5, 3, 6, 3, 7, 3, 8. Next 4, 5, 4, 6, 4, 7, 4, 8. So write all the ordered pairs. Now we check it. A cross C is contained B cross D or not? Here 1, 5. Here 1, 5 is there. Next here 1, 6. Here also 1, 6. Next 2, 5. Here also 2, 5. Next here 2, 6. Here also 2, 6. Therefore definitely A cross C is contained B cross D. So first option is true. You check it second option. B cross D. B cross D answer already you find it. This one. This answer contain A cross C. Is it possible? So here all the elements are belongs to this A cross C. No. Here four elements, four ordered pairs are there. Here many ordered pairs are there. So this one definitely not true. Next A cross B. You see that A cross B 1, 1. First order pair is 1, 1. But A cross D 1, 5. So that one not belongs to. Next D cross A. D cross A also 5, 1. First one 5, 2. You check it B cross A. B cross A 1, 1. Here there is no elements 5, 6, 7, 8. So definitely not belongs to the answer. Is it clear? If you have doubt means you check it these four options and then you find the correct answer. So first option is here we get the correct answer. So therefore answer is what? First option A cross C contain B cross D. Is it clear? Now we discuss fourth one. If there are 1024 relations from a set A is equal to set of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to a set B, then the number of elements in B is A option 3, B option 2, C option 4, D option 8. In that relation exercise already we discussed, suppose the number of elements n of A is m, n of B is n means the total number of elements exist between A to B is 2 power mn. Apply this rule here. Here A already given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So n of A is equal to 5. That we consider P, n of B equal to Q. So the total number of elements 2 power PQ given 1024. 1024 also make into 2 power. So 1024. 2 power means here 5 2s are 1, 2, 2 2s are. And 2 all apply means 2 2s are here 6 and again here 2 2s are 4 remainder 1 here 5 2s are 10 remainder 1 2 56 and 2 means 1 2 8 and again apply 2 table 6 4 and again apply 2 table 32 and 2 means 16 and again apply 2 8 and again 4 again means 2. So how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 1024 can be written 2 power 10. So 2 power PQ answer is 2 power 10. Here base are equal, equating the powers. So PQ is equal to 10. P value already we know 5. 5Q is equal to 10. So Q is equal to So n of b equal to 2. So which option? B. So therefore answer is B option 2. Next one, fifth. The range of the relations R is equal to set of x comma x square such that x is a prime number less than 13. What are the prime number less than 13? 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. So here relations x to x square. So x to x square means first apply 2. Here x square. So 2 we take x square is 2 square 4. Next we take 3. 3 square 9. Next we take 5. 5 square 25. Next 7. 7 square 49. 11 means 11 square 121. So we made the relation x comma x square means 2 comma 4, 3 comma 9, 4 comma 16. But here only prime number. So no need to take 4. So we take 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. That number's range only want to write it. So what is the range of R? 4, 9, 25, 49, 121. So which option is the correct option? A option 2, 3, 5, 7. B option 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. C 4, 9, 25, 49, 121. D 1, 4, 9, 25, 49, 121. So which is the correct answer? C option is correct one. So C option correct. Sixth one. If the ordered pairs a plus 2, 4 and 5, 2a plus b are equal, then a, b is dash. A option 2, minus 2, b 5, 1, c 2, 3, d 3, minus 2. So here already given ordered pair is given. So a plus 2 equal to a plus 2, 4. This ordered pair and these two equal. And 5, 2a plus b equal mean these two equal. So first point here, first point, second points are equal. So equal means a plus 2 equal to 5. So a equal to 5 plus 2 goes to opposite side minus 2. 5 minus 2, 3. A answer 3. And next second point equal. 4 equal to 2a plus b. 4 equal to 2 into a value already you got it. So A answer 3. Substitute 2 into 3, 6 plus B. 2 3s are 6. Already opposite side is 4. Plus 3 come this side minus 6. So 4 minus 6 minus 2. So B answer is minus 2. So A value and B value want to write. Don't write opposite. First write A value, second write B value. So A value is 3, B value is minus 2. So which option? D option. So the answer is D. Next, seventh one. Let n of a equal to m and n of b equal to n. Then the total number of non-empty relations that can be defined from a to b is A option m power n, B option n power m, C option 2 power mn minus 1, D option 2 power mn. So we discussed in the relation topic itself. Now fourth sum also the same method we discussed. N of a number of element p, number of element q means that is total number of element is 2 power pq. Substitute and get the answer. The same method we apply here. Here n of a equal to m and n of b equal to n means the total number of relations exist from a to b is 2 power mn. That's some 2 power pq. Here 2 power mn. So the answer is D option 2 power mn. Eighth one. If a, 6, b represents an identity function, then the value of a and b are respectively. Identity means what are the elements in domain? The same elements in codomain. So a, 8. A, 8 means a answer also 8. 6, b. So b answer also 6. So a answer 8, b answer 6. Therefore answer 8, 6. Option A. Identity function means what are the elements in codomain? The same elements in domain. What are the elements in domain? The same elements in codomain. Ninth one. Let A is equal to set of 1, 2, 3, 4 and B equal to set of 4, 8, 9, 10. A function f such that A to B given by f is equal to 1, 4, 2, 8, 3, 9, 4, 10 is A option many to one function. B option identity function, C option one-to-one function, D option into function. Here A given, B given, ordered pairs also given. 1, 4, 2, 8, 3, 9, 4, 8, that ordered pair given. So apply in domain and codomain. A is 1, 2, 3, 4, B 4, 8, 9, 10. Apply the ordered pair 1, 4, 1, 4, 2, 8, 3, 9, 4, 10. So what is this? What type of function? In domain all elements have unique image. That is a one-to-one function. In codomain all elements having image, pre-image, that is onto function. So it is satisfy one-to-one and onto. But in this question option, many to one, identity, one-to-one and into. So which one is correct? That one you select it. So which option? One-to-one function. Therefore F is one-to-one function. Here answer C option, one-to-one function. Next 10th. If f of x equal to 2x square and g of x equal to 1 by 3x, then f composition G is A option 3 by 2x square, B 2 by 3x square, C 2 by 9x square, D 1 by 6x square. Here f of x given 2x square, g of x given 1 by 3x square. How we find f composition G? F of g of x. F composition G is equal to f of g of x. So f of, applying g of x 1 by 3x. This fully now consider x. This x apply to f. That is f of x is 2x square. So 2 into 1 by 3 is a x value. 1 by 3 is x. So this place you apply 1 by 3x. So 2 into 1 by 3x whole square. 2 into 1 square answer 1. 2 into 1 square answer 1. 3x equals to 3 square is 9x square. So 2 into 1 by 9x square. So f composition G is equal to 2 by 9x square. Which is the correct one? C option. C option 2 by 9x square. Here also C option. Next 11th one. If f such that a to b is a bijective function and if n of b equal to 7, then n of a is equal to A option 7, B option 49, C option 1, D option 14. Here bijective, which is a bijective? That is select one-to-one and onto. So bijective means both sides. So here number of A and number of B both are equal. So this one A, this one B. So if this one satisfied one-to-one and onto, that is bijective. Bijective means number of elements in A and number of elements in B equal. So n of A equal to n of B. Bijective means n of A equal to n of B. N of B already given in the question n 7. So n of B 7 means n of A are equal to 7. So which option? A. So the answer is A option 7. Next 12. Let f and g be two functions given by f is equal to 0, 1, 2, 0, 3, -4, 4, 2, 5, 7 and g is equal to 0, 2, 1, 0, 2, 4, -4, 2, 7, 0. Then the range of f composition G is. What is the f composition G answer? So A option 0, 2, 3, 4, 5, B option -4, 1, 0, 2, 7, C option 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, D option 0, 1, 2. How we write f composition G? Here also we write. F composition G means f of g of x. Apply the g of x answer. This answer substitute in f. The same method. F composition G is equal to f of g of x is equal to f of g of x first one 0. So apply 0. 0 answer is 2. So that is 2. This 2 apply in f. So f where come 2? Here. 2 answer 0. So that is the answer. Is it clear? Next one. So 0 answer is here 0. So the range is 0. Next 1. 1 answer 0. This answer see the f. 0. 0 answer 1. So the range is 1. Next one. 2. 2 answer 4. This 4 see that f. Here 0, 2, 3, 4. Here 4. That 4 answer 2. So that is 2. Next that is over. Next one -4. -4 answer 2. See that f. 2. 2 ones are 0. So already 0 written. Next 7. 7 ones are 0. See that F? Here F. Here 0. 0 ones are 1. So already written. Here 0, 1, 2, 0, 1. So range only one time written. So 0 one time written and 1 also one time written. So the range is 0, 1, 2. That is the D option. 0, 1, 2. Is it clear? 13th one. Let f of x equal to root of 1 plus x square. Then A option f of xy is equal to f of x into f of y. B option f of xy greater than or equal to f of x into f of y. C option f of xy less than or equal to f of x into f of y. D option none of this. So we have to check these three options. First f of x equal to 1 plus x square. F of x 1 plus x square means f of y 1 plus y square. F of xy, x please you substitute x y. So x square y square. So we consider 1 plus x square into 1 plus y square. That is f of x into f of y we take. That is 1 plus x square into 1 plus y square is equal to multiply 1 into 1, 1 into y square. X square into 1, x square, y square. 1 plus x square plus y square plus x square. This can be written 1 plus x square into 1 plus y square greater than. So this value is more to 1 plus x square, y square. So if we take root 1 plus x square into 1 plus y square greater than or equal to root of 1 plus x square, y square. So separately you write 1 plus x square, 1 plus y square greater than or equal to 1 plus x square, y square. So what you get? This one f of x, this one f of y greater than or equal to this value f of xy. So what you understand from this? F of x into f of y value is more, that is greater value. So f of x y is small value. So this can be written f of x y less than or equal to f of x into f of y. This value is greater to this value. So you write reverse means f of x y is less value to this one greater value. So f of x y less than or equal to f of x into f of y. So which option? C option. F of x y less than or equal to f of x, f of y. 14th question. If g is equal to set of 1, 1, 2, 3, 3, 5, 4, 7 is a function given by g of x equal to alpha x plus beta, then the values of alpha and beta. Here function given, you have to find alpha and beta. A option alpha value minus 1, 2 and B option alpha value 2, beta value minus 1. C option alpha value minus 1, beta value minus 2. D option alpha value 1, beta value 2. So which one is correct answer? You want to check it. So answer g of is equal to alpha x plus beta, that is given here 1, 1. So x value 1 means the answer is 1. So apply x value 1 is equal to alpha into 1 plus beta. The answer is 1. We take 1 means the answer is 1. Next we take 2 means the answer is 3. X value 3 means the answer is, that is f of x. Ordered pair. Here we take this one x, this one f of x. Here we take 1 means here 1, here 2 means here 3. So x value substitute 1. The answer is 1. So alpha into 1 plus beta equal to 1. Next we take x equal to 2. So alpha into 2, that is 2 alpha plus beta is equal to answer 3. Mark equation number 1 and 2. So here subtract. Change the sign minus, minus, minus. So plus 2 alpha minus 2 alpha minus alpha is equal to 1 minus 3. Answer minus 2. So both side minus minus cancel. Therefore alpha is equal to 2. This alpha value substitute in equation 1. What we get? Alpha is equal to 2 plus beta is equal to 1. So beta is equal to plus 2 come inside minus 2. 1 minus 2 minus 1. Alpha answer 2, beta answer minus 1. Which is correct answer? A option. Alpha answer 2, beta answer minus 1. So B answer is correct. Is it clear? So which option is correct? Don't write mistake. Alpha answer 2, beta answer minus 1. So which option? B. So answer B is equal to 2, minus 1. Next 15. F of x equal to x plus 1 whole cube minus x minus 1 whole cube. Represents a function which is linear. Linear means the power is 1. Cubic power is 3. Reciprocal, that is 1 by x. A quadratic power 2. Which is the correct one? Here cubic equation is given. So before itself you solve. At last f of x answer is what is the power? You verify. F of x equal to x plus 1 whole cube. That is a plus b whole cube format. Minus x minus 1 whole cube. That is a minus b whole cube. Already lower class itself studied this formula. Apply this formula. A plus b whole cube formula. A cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. A plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Here minus means alternative sign. Here minus formula a minus b whole cube is equal to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. That alternative sign will come. So apply this formula. A plus b whole cube x cube plus 3x square plus 3h plus 1 minus a minus b whole cube a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. So apply means what we get? X cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1. This minus and insert x cube minus into minus plus 3x square minus 3x minus into minus plus 1. So x cube cancel. Plus 3x minus 3x cancel. At last we get 3x square plus 3x square 6x square 1 plus 1 2. At last we get f of x equal to 6x square plus 2. So you have what is the power? 2. 2 means that is quadratic equation. Therefore f of x is a quadratic equation. Quadratic equation which option? Fourth option. So answer B, fourth option. Is it clear? So don't make mistake. One more question sir. Very carefully you mark it. Suppose 1 comma minus 1 means you don't mark minus 1 comma 2. So that's why I told this place. So write carefully. Choose the options carefully. Is it clear? Thank you students.